Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought today I would do like a day in the life, also show you what I eat, also just chit chat, kind of isolation, quarantine type video. I don't know, I thought it would be fun to show you what I get up to in the day. I had my lemon water this morning, which I always do, cleanse with Palo Santo, meditate, and had a delicious cup of coffee. Coffee is definitely like my favorite part of the day. I'm debating whether I should do a workout now or do a workout later. I don't know. I feel like I don't feel like doing one now. I've been doing a lot of home workouts, so I will show you which one I do. But yeah, I feel like I should probably just get it done now, but we'll see. It was supposed to be sunny outside today, but it's not. It's cloudy, which I feel like, I don't know. I was looking forward to a sunny day. I feel like sunny days are just better, you know? So I need to decide if I'm gonna work out now. I feel like I should just work out now and then shower. So yeah, probably gonna make myself do a little mini workout. There's an ab one that I really like from Pamela RF. I will link that down below. I'm definitely gonna do that one. And then I want to do like a booty one. I bought some booty bands on Amazon. So I'm gonna probably do like a booty one. It definitely feels good to get in a little movement. I'm gonna shower and then probably have some breakfast. It is like almost 10 o'clock because I've been working this morning, and then I just did that quick little movement. I like doing like little bits of movement throughout the day, especially when like you're stuck at home. I find like just even taking like 10 minutes to do a little abs or legs or whatever throughout the day just really breaks it up. So we're gonna shower and then I'm gonna show you one of these things that I have been obsessed with lately. It's a food item. Surprise, surprise. So I'm out of the shower, but before I like do hair and makeup, I really want to eat my muffin because I'm getting hungry. And the thing I wanted to show you is this almond hazelnut butter. Oh my gosh, this is so delicious. It kind of tastes like Nutella, but less sweet, and there's no chocolate, so it's less chocolatey, but it's hazelnutty. And I'm putting that on top of one of my banana chocolate chip muffins. I will leave that video down below. But guys, this stuff is so delicious. I could like sit here and eat this with a spoon. It is my new favorite like nut butter. It's just so yummy. So if you are looking for like a really good nut butter, highly recommend the almond hazelnut. And then when you spread it on, the warm muffin kind of like melts it and makes kind of like delicious drippy glaze. Honestly, so good. So I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but for some reason I woke up at 4:30. So I'm making like a mid-morning matcha, and I'm just gonna use the Vital Proteins one. It's just easy. I add a scoop, I add water. If I had nut milk, I would add some nut milk just to cool it down a bit. So I think I'm gonna add in an ice cube. But yeah, I feel like matcha is good because it gives you a little bit of caffeine, gives you focus, but it's not like coffee jittery. I don't know, my body's like saying like I want matcha, I don't want coffee right now. So we're gonna make a cup of matcha and hopefully it wakes me up a bit because I am super sleepy right now. So I'm gonna make a little bit of lunch. I have some vegetables I'm going to roast. I have my roasting pan ready. I ran out of parchment paper, so unfortunately I have to use aluminum foil. I don't normally. I know there's gonna be comments about the aluminum foil. Ran out of parchment paper and I have to go to the store. And also I'm gonna have for protein, I know I don't normally have this, but I'm gonna have some tofu that I've been marinating. If you are like, I don't know, by meat, there was like a protein shortage of like meat. So they were like all out of protein, or there was only like very little left for people, and you can only buy a certain amount right now. So I kind of have to like ration my protein. So I'm gonna have some tofu and roast some vegetables. So I'm gonna do some broccoli. I have some shredded Brussels sprouts. And then I'm gonna have some butternut squash. I like to have like a different range of colors. So I feel like this adds like orange to the green, and then the different colors have different phytonutrients, right? So orange has like beta carotene, which is really good for your eyes and your immune system. And then greens are always good, like cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts have what's called I3C, which is good for your hormones. And then it's also rich in choline, which is good for your like metabolism and DNA and mitochondria, which make energy. So there's just so many good stuff in vegetables. So I'm gonna roast some of that. Ooh, I have mushrooms, but do I feel like mushrooms? No, I don't feel like mushrooms. We're gonna stick to these 3 vegetables. I'm gonna roast that with the tofu, and then I have like a lunch date, but I haven't preheated the oven in time, so I'm probably gonna end up like talking for my lunch date and having like lunch midway through. I've been having a lot of like FaceTime / Zoom calls with friends. It's nice to have like a meal or a coffee or a tea or something and hang out for a bit, break up the day, like for an hour or so. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do next. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been taking a ginger shot pretty much every single day, and I am about to make some more. It's really easy to make. I have like a whole TikTok on it, but basically I just blend up a chunk of ginger in my blender, and then I run it through a nut milk bag. And ginger is super good for you. It's an anti-inflammatory, it's an antiviral. With the virus going around, that's super important. Antibacterial. So I just take organic ginger, we're gonna blend it, we're gonna strain it, and then we are going to take a shot. So then you have like these wonderful mini ginger shots. I just reuse like the little shots that you get like from out. I use the containers and I put that in there. And then you have a bunch of shots, and I like to take like 1 a day just for like immune support and good digestion and health and things like that. So I just wanted to share these nuts because I am obsessed with them, and I love the convenient little packs that they come in. It's the perfect little like salty snack if you like salty ones. And I love that they're like a different kind of nut than you would normally have. So I feel like making something a little bit more fancy today, and so I'm gonna make some cauliflower gnocchi for dinner / prep for the freezer. I like to make a big batch, and then I'll freeze it into individual baggies so I have it for a few more times. And if you haven't seen the video, I will link it down below. But all you need is cauliflower, an egg, cassava flour, and potato starch. You basically heat up the cauliflower until it's soft, blend this all together, and then we form it into our shape. So I have just been working away on my course. If you missed my announcement video, which I will leave down below, I am launching my first ever course, which is so exciting because a lot of you have wanted to work with me, and this is the first opportunity that you're gonna get to do so. It's basically a program where I teach you how to create nourishing meals and nourish your body in a healthy way that allows you to feel your best and look your best. This includes digestion, skin, sleep, energy, but also just like your body as a whole, and just really empower you to make healthy, delicious meals in the kitchen. I share my roadmap, my formula, plus you have access to me because you'll be working with me in the group, and you'll be able to email me questions and we can work together. So I'm super excited to be able to work with this small group of you. So if this sounds like something you are interested in, I will leave the link down below so you can check out more about it. But basically, I see so many people, especially I feel like women and females, who are undernourishing their body and under eating, and they're just like, you know, you're eating a salad with like no dressing, and you're doing chronic cardio 5-6 days a week, and you're just not seeing the results that you want. So I'm here to kind of teach you, guide you through how to nourish your body, how to look great and feel great, so that you just live a happy, healthy life, which sounds super simple, but I feel like a lot of people don't do this, and you're just frustrated and you're discouraged and you don't know what to do because you're Googling things like 1,000 times, like how to be healthy, how to lose weight, how to get lean. And I kind of just have like the formula and the answer for you how to do that while eating a good amount and eating delicious things like skillet cookies and cauliflower and gnocchi, and just building quick, simple meals too, so that when you come home from school or work, you can have a healthy, delicious meal in like 15 minutes or less. It's gonna be super good for you. So I've been building this course for a while. I've been taking a lot of feedback from you guys, so I am super excited for it. So I'm gonna leave a link down below in case that sounds like something you are interested in. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, or if you want to private message me on Instagram and like you don't want your question to be public in the comments, definitely DM me on Instagram because I will get back to you there. But yeah, I am super excited to be able to like help so many people. Like if there's one thing I feel like I want to do is like, I want to help people eat nourishing food and understand like how to nourish their bodies properly so that they can feel their best. So yeah, that was like my little, I'm just so passionate. That's why I get so excited about this when I talk about it, because like I'm just super, super passionate about this. So yeah, I will leave a link down there for that. And I'm gonna keep working on that for now, and then I'll check in with you later. So I hope you guys enjoyed that day in the life. I'm going to leave my what I eat in a day video, the last one I did, somewhere on the screen here, so you can watch that to get more healthy recipe inspiration. And in my next video, I'm gonna be showing you guys some really delicious healthy desserts. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.